Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how your Lab 1 should function. So the user should have the option to enter a test grade. So say I enter the grade of 85, and when I click add grade, my list of grades should display. Now because your list of tests, mine started with 3 grades, so when I click this, it should have a total of 4 grades in it. The 3 that the list started with and the one I added to it. So each time the user clicks add grade, it should add that grade to it. And I can kind of continue to do this several times in a row. So I'm going to add a few 90s in there. And notice that every time I'm adding a new grade, the average and the max and the min are all updating. So I click add grade again. Average, max, and min are all updating. Click it again. They're still updating now. So add grade is adding one, updating average, max, and min. When I go to drop grade, I'm going to put in, say, 90 because there's several of them that appear in this list. When I click drop grade, it's going to drop any 90 that's in there, not just one of them. So notice that when I click drop grade, now my list loses all the 90s and everything. Again, the average, the max, and the min still recalculate. So then when I add another grade there, 87, maybe I'll add like an 85, and continues to update as I add. And then let's say I want to get rid of all the 87s and click drop grade. Notice that I have 2 87s in the list. And when I click drop grade, they're both gone. The average, the max, and the min both change. So that's how your lab should function.